Hi everyone, I'm Ying, product manager working on AI and industry solutions at Google Cloud. In this session, I will be sharing with you how our visual inspection AI products support manufacturing customers to transform their business. Sudhi from Accenture will also be joining me in this session. Would you want to introduce yourself, Sudhi?
Thank you, Ying, for your partnership support and for giving us an opportunity to present at Google Next. Hello, everyone. I'm Sudhindra from Accenture, responsible for building industry solutions on Google Cloud and part of Accenture Google Business Group.
Cool. So besides the two of us, Tigran and Alex at Siemens also created a video to share their adoption story for our visual inspection product. In the end of this session, we will get a chance to take a look at the video. So let's get started. In the current market, demand volatility puts lots of pressure on manufacturers. The decreased demand for the new product, the disruption of the retail channels, and the interruption of the supply chain operation make it really challenging for the manufacturers to maintain business continuity. The manufacturers are motivated to decrease cost and improve work efficiency by automating many of their work processes. Visual inspection technologies are there to help, but the adoption of these new technologies can be difficult and costly. The traditional inspection devices cost millions of dollars per device. The deployment and the adoption of these new technologies require the support of the IT infrastructures and the domain experts. The limited amount of sample data make it really challenging to analyze the product quality and to train machine learning models for automating the visual quality control process. To solve all these challenges, Google has partnered with several of the industry leaders to build a best in class visual inspection technology to help the manufacturing customers really transform their business. We have a rich computer vision product offering. It includes the pre-trained APIs, the AutoML product, and several of the new products that we are building to support the industry-specific use cases. All of these products will be available on GCP very soon. End of last year, Forrester has ranked Google Cloud as a leader for the computer vision product, both because its current product offering and its future product strategy. Our visual inspection product could be used to support a variety of the use cases. For example, cosmetic inspection for the electronic product and assembly inspection to look for missing or damaged component on the assembled product, weld inspection for the automotive manufacturing, wafer layer inspection for semiconductors, and the packaging material inspection for consumer packaged goods. One of our lighthouse customers, Foxconn FIH, they built a visual inspection solution using our visual inspection product. For the six components they want to inspect on a assembled PCB assembly board, we help them achieve lower than 1% of the defect escape rate and false alarm rate. By deploying this solution, they achieved significantly cost saving on their production lines. Another of our lighthouse customers is Global Foundries. They use our product for inspecting the wafer layers. This helped them improve the inspection rate to over 95%. Within few months of starting to implement this solution, they successfully migrated over 40% of the manual workload to this automated solution. This helped them scale the automated solution much faster than they expect. In the next session, I will hand it over to Sudhi for him to share about how Accenture has been partnering with Google for building visual inspection solutions.
Thank you, Ying. I would like to start giving an overview of our partnership with Google. The Accenture Google Business Group has formed about 5 years ago, and it is designed to bring the best of Google human centric design technology and innovation with Accenture's capability, industry experience, and intelligence. Accenture's AI visual inspection offering enables multiple industry use cases for an enterprise through a platform based approach. What this means for our client is an AI based visual inspection platform running on Google Cloud offering automated and improved inspection solutions in the area of quality control, safety surveillance, asset tracking, and diagnosis, covering both in production and non production environments for multiple industries. Our key business value focuses on reducing inspection time, the inspection cost, and the false positive cases and false negative cases. Our platform is architectured to offer flexibility to run AI services both on the cloud and edge, addressing practical requirements in the client environment. As part of our hardware solution offering, Accenture can help with the advanced imagery solutions, recommending the best camera and installation for the solution requirement. We provide automation services for inspection use cases, supporting with the integration such as with the robotics and drone based solutions. In addition to cloud, our AI services run on the edge channels such as mobile devices and IoT gateways. For edge scenarios, IoT gateways equipped with Google TPUs and Google Coral are our primary recommendation to run visual inspection. The key consideration to include Edge AI is to support use cases that require almost zero latency. For example, running visual inspection and capturing objects on a video with 30 to 100 frames per second, providing data privacy and supporting low bandwidth scenarios. We provide an Edge AI enabled Android and iOS mobile app services. And for the IoT gateways, we offer an enterprise grade edge stack that consists of cloud connectivity, security, cloud based orchestration, and software updates through Google Cloud. Our edge application layer running visual inspection business logic consists of customized Python apps integrated with TF Lite quantized AI models that are built and managed through Google Cloud. Google Cloud serves as the core cloud platform, providing the edge and cloud based AI models through AutoML, the AI platforms for especially like custom models, and industry ready AI products such as manufacturing visual inspection. As our solution includes Edge IoT, the Cloud IoT core supports edge orchestration and device management, integration with MQTT and HTTPS like interfaces. The segmented or processed visual inspection data generated through cloud or edge AI inference, be it streaming or batch type, are transformed with the Google Cloud Data and ML services, supporting various business applications such as intelligent quality monitoring dashboard or custom real-time workflows running either on the cloud or on-premise with containerized Anthos-like solution. We have been successful in productizing an innovative concept of AI based visual inspection to a client ready production solution is mainly because of the technology value Google is bringing in through a managed and scalable cloud AI and data services. We have been able to achieve faster time to value with minimum efforts due to technologies such as smart data labeling tools on Google Cloud that reduces your labeling efforts and help in building efficient AI training datasets. AutoML like products minimizes your AI development efforts and provide mature AI models for object detection, object tracking, and image classification. To support complex inspection environments, you can build once and deploy your AI model either on the cloud or on the edge offline, supporting multiple AI prediction channels supported by Google Cloud. Other managed Google Cloud ML and data services provide scalability and acceleration in fulfilling real time applications and ML optimized reporting of AI inspected data. Now, each client story is different. However, we have sketched out a common approach as a best practice that allows us to deliver fast and efficiently. First, we identify the business needs. This involves understanding the business case for each asset and determining which assets are worth pursuing. Additionally, we choose our approach. When we are looking for small items that are hard to distinguish from backgrounds, we opt for segmentation. However, most of our clients have found great success in sticking to object detection services from Google Cloud. To begin with, defining the right data set. As every data scientist know, data is the key here. We build our data sets such that we have at least 100 labels per classification of object to begin with AutoML. Accenture's advanced AI capabilities bring expertise in building super efficient data sets with custom labeling techniques and data augmentation, depending on the complexity of the images or videos, and exclusively to improve the performance of the models on AutoML. We leverage AutoML object detection to detect and classify assets. If we find the accuracy of the model is lacking for particular assets, or if the data set needs to be augmented with features, or threshold needs to be adjusted per asset, we turn to custom model development. In custom model development, we use AI platform notebooks to augment custom models with pre-trained networks to achieve better accuracy, all available as part of Google Cloud AI platform. We support complex model deployment and predictions. This can then be published into dashboards with cloud predictions or deployed onto edge, triggered by either manual events or automated services. Now, on top of our technical platform, as mentioned before, we are offering some of our exclusive industry solutions with tailored AI and application services for enterprises. In energy, for utilities, we perform a quality check of the utility poles. For upstream energy production industry, we provide safety services such as real-time inspection of leakage detection in a plant and worker safety gear compliance monitoring in a hazardous working environment. To address COVID 19 related challenges at enterprises that are returning to work, we have a visual tracking solution that monitors safety distancing between workers and face mask monitoring like services. In production environments involving industrial workers, we offer worker productivity tracking services. In the retail industry, such as at the stores, we offer in store customer behavior and shelf stock monitoring for effective stock replenishment. For life sciences in the research sector, AI visual inspection plays a key productive role in performing quality checks for the research samples. Our new upcoming visual inspection solution, in partnership with Google, involves bringing an end to end quality inspection transformation for semiconductors, starting from fabrication to the component assembly. Exclusively for the manufacturing industry, we are jointly working with Google in bringing AI BI transformation and performing a quality check for the product defects, missing compliance, and missing product components. Now, let me introduce some of our success stories we have achieved with Google Cloud. For utilities, we developed an utility pole inspection solution to automatically and accurately identify damaged utility as well as healthy inventory equipments on the poles using exclusively Google's AutoML AI product. The Vision AI process data is further processed and analyzed for predictive maintenance and actionable insights. The business value that we delivered here was to provide actionable insights for wildfire mitigation scenarios and improved asset tracking. For another utility provider, we developed a field worker mobile edge visual inspection app to perform quality check of the utility poles during post installation and maintenance. The Edge AI visually processed utility pole data brought tremendous value in improving the inspection process at the back office, reducing false positive and false negative scenarios for the inspectors. At an automotive manufacturing production facility that involved monitoring workers at multiple stations in a production line, the challenge was the assembly line supervisor had no visibility to line imbalances or worker bottlenecks. These bottlenecks and out of balance conditions persisted for prolonged periods, impacting productivity and quality. To address these challenges, we built an AutoML based edge object tracking solution deployed on Google Core IoT Gateway to track and assess the final assembly worker movements within and outside the assembly stations, maintaining the privacy of worker images on the edge and transferring only the segmented data to the cloud, thereby alerting supervisors when bottlenecks or out of balance conditions were detected. And for our life sciences clients, we developed an autonomous cobot visual inspection solution to analyze bacteria samples and assess different quality types before carrying out advanced research. Here, a programmed robotic arm picks up petri dishes with samples that have to undergo quality check and places them under a camera integrated with an edge gateway running AI visual inspection models, analyzing these samples in real time, and then instructing these robotic arms to place the different quality categories of bacteria into a designated bin. The value we were able to provide here is to effectively utilize lab technicians' time for higher value tasks and let AI do the mundane type of quality inspection checks, thereby reducing inspection time by 80% through automation, as well reducing the false positive rates by 10%. For retail, we built an AI and IoT driven visual inspection solution on Google Cloud AI platform and Google Coral with the camera tracking inventory levels of these promotional shelves items in real time. Simultaneously, we also carried out performing planogram compliance checks, and this inspected data alerted workers to take actions before they turn into like real business problems. With this, we were able to bring inventory automation, overcoming out of inventory scenarios, efficient labor utilization, and improved customer experience. And another valuable experiment we conducted at retail is measuring customer behavior in store, and this is to optimize in store customer experience with better services and operations. And all this is done with a privacy first mindset, processing customer visual data on the edge. With this, I end my presentation and over to you, Ing.
Thanks, Sudhi. Next, let's take a look at the video from Siemens.
Factories need artificial intelligence to harness the power of detailed data and consistently provide granular metrics to increase quality. Visual Inspection AI automates quality control process and helps achieve cost savings, improving work efficiency. Based on the learning and experience gained with internal use cases, Siemens is building AI products that we offer to our customers. So we put together a technology stack that runs AI models in real time right on production lines so that we can intelligently inspect every single unit produced.
At Siemens Digital Industries Motion Control Factory in Erlangen, we're implementing AI for different use cases in electronics manufacturing. We want to automate inspection processes like circuit board assembly, soldering, and packaging. Let's take a closer look at one of our examples. Every day at packaging stations, we prepare thousands of produced units and accessories for shipping to our customers. Whether the operation is manual or automated, it can happen that small accessories are mixed up or missing. With AI, we can monitor the packaging process in real time and immediately notify the worker if a package was incomplete. AI models can detect small objects in a video stream, whatever their position on a conveyor belt is. That was not possible with algorithms before that required exact location of all objects and couldn't tolerate occlusion or changes in lighting. With AI solutions, we can minimize the number of incomplete packages and corresponding costs. This increases throughput and eliminates rework.
We use multiple core AI technologies, among which those provided by Google. For example, cloud-based service AutoML is very convenient, and for some operations like data annotation or model training, even colleagues from production engineering or IT, not specifically trained for data science, can perform them. We see the potential of AI, and we are implementing it in our factories first to deliver well-thought, innovative, and tested products to the market. We believe artificial intelligence is the future of automation and essentially the future of manufacturing.
Thanks Simon's team for sharing the great story. At Google Cloud, we appreciate the collaboration with all partners and customers for building out the visual inspection solution to transform the manufacturing industry.
Thank you, Ying. On behalf of Accenture, I thank Google Cloud team for the joint collaboration in bringing innovation to our clients. Over to you, Ying.
If you would like to learn more about this new solution, please reach out to your sales rep at Google Cloud and they will share more information, more details about using the product with you. Thank you.